Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your GoFundMe account. So if you had previously been using GoFundMe in order to raise some funds or to generate funds from the crowd but seem to no longer want to use it because there's no purpose of using it and want to permanently delete your account, this is what you need to do. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the GoFundMe app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, also make sure that you're already logged into your account by going to the sign in section and entering your needed credentials. Then head over to the bottom right corner that shows a profile icon and then tap on account. As you tap on account, in the very end you can see an option that says delete account. So here it says that deleting your account removes all of your activity and fundraisers and that you will no longer be able to sign in with this account. So if you abide by this, tap on delete account, and then after reading through all of these, tap on delete account again. Confirm that you want to delete account by tapping on the delete button, and after you do that, wait for a certain while until you get locked out of your account. And now if you enter the same credentials, you will not be able to sign into your account because your account has gotten permanently deleted. So this is basically how you can delete your GoFundMe account. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video you've been able to delete your own account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.